This is Gionee's first phone in India with a full view 18:9 aspect ratio display. You get a 6-inch of screen, but a resolution of 1440 by 720 pixels. It's not the brightest of the display in its class, but nevertheless the brightness, when cranked up, does the job. The colors look rich and viewing angles are also good. Watching videos and other multimedia is a good experience. We also love the design of this phone. The diamond-like cluster on the smartphone's textured back panel and the thick edges make it look a bit chunky, however the weight and the size just about feels right. The phone runs Android 7.1 Nougat with their Amigo 5.0 theme on top. Hardware includes an octa-core Snapdragon 435 processor, 4GB RAM and 64GB of storage. Now, it's disappointing to see a low-power Snapdragon processor on a 17,000 rupee phone. The Xiaomi Redmi 5A uses the same processor and costs half as much as the M7. So it will take care of your regular tasks, however, gaming and multitasking definitely takes a hit here. The performance also take a hit because of the extra bloatware and heavy Amigo skin by Gionee. The M7 Power sports a 13-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera. The primary camera comes equipped with several modes. There's text recognition, translation, slow-mo, time-lapse, and also 3D photo. So basically you click a picture that can be viewed from different angles later on, like 3D. The feature works as intended in most of the cases, but definitely looks a bit artificial at times. Overall, the primary and the selfie camera are regular shooters, delivering optimally in good lighting conditions but struggling under low light. With the 5000 mAh battery, the smartphone is a powerhouse that runs for more than a day, in fact 2 days easily. However, the preloaded app definitely takes up space and also affects the overall battery endurance.
The Gionee M7 Power offers everything: a good display, a decent performance, a decent camera. But let's be honest, there are other smartphones that do better in these departments. However, one department where the Gionee M7 really shines out is when it comes to battery. We got a solid 2 days of battery, and also there's a fast charging option. So buy it if you want your phone to last for the entire day.